China's 15th five-year plan calls for deploying future industries and advancing the AI Plus initiative, identifying AI-powered embodied intelligence as one of the key directions for future industry development. As robots move beyond following commands toward understanding the complexity of the real world, how can they truly work side by side with humans? To explore this key issue, Breaking News spoke with Antonio Frisoli, president of Italian National Competence Center on Robotics. He shared his insights on the future direction of intelligent machines and discussed the potential for China-Italy cooperation in this field.
We are exactly in this stage of transformation from large language model to embodied AI that, in my interpretation, is strongly related to robotics. This means the possibility of having a machine that can act on the physical world. Typically, the most outstanding machine that can do that is robots that have the capability to sense, perceive the environment, to, of course, act on the environment, and then, of course, to make reasoning about actions. The real challenge is to use large language models that are not processing only textual information, but also other information coming from a video stream, 3D data, a sensor, let's say pressure sensors, and so be able to act in an environment that can has been mainly, for instance, taught for humans, so it's not an environment specialized for robots. So we are now really in this phase where we are testing how far we can go and how fast we can go in this direction. Now, one of the key challenges is the generalization, so the capability of teaching a task and be able to perform similar tasks that can have differences due to the variability of the environment.
Beyond technical breakthroughs, the future of robotics hinges on coexistence. As humanoid robots enter workplaces, hospitals, and everyday environments, the question is no longer whether machines can perform tasks, but whether they can understand us, collaborate with us, and adapt to human intent and emotion.
There are two things of human-robot symbiosis. One is the cognitive, and another one is the physical. The cognitive is easier to understand because it means that you can cooperate with the robot, because the robot can understand your behavior, your intention, and even can understand your mood, so it can adapt. Let's say, if you think application in the medical scenario, like robot for assistance or robot for rehabilitation, it is also important to understand what is the mood of the person so that you can provide a better assistance. While the physical symbiosis is also very interesting, as I was mentioning before, we are transferring in the market exoskeleton technology. So this is an example of robot-human symbiosis, because the robot is worn by the human as a jacket and can provide force when you need. So you are handling, let's say, boxes of 10 kilos, 15 kilos for 1 hour, so you will be exhausted after some time. But the robot can, in this case, provide you the assistance only when needed. And to do that, you need to have a symbiosis that is based on capability of understanding your effort, your movement, your intention of grasping someone.
As robotics and intelligent manufacturing advance globally, countries are finding new ways to align their strengths. When Italy's engineering design and creativity meets China's scale, speed, and world-class supply chains, what new space for cooperation will emerge to drive the next generation of intelligent technology?
Italy is the second manufacturing country in Europe, so we are a large manufacturing country. Now there are industrial issues, so that is for large production more convenient to have production in cities like Chongqing in China, because there is a supply chain that is fully organized to produce most of products you might think of, from the microelectronic circuit up to the car or to, let's say, any machine. And so that's why I think it could be very good to explore the need from Italian market or Italian industry with the capability that are in China and in particular in Chongqing to create some bridges. My university, Scuola Sant'Anna, has a long tradition of cooperation with Chongqing University, for instance, more than 20 years of international cooperation. And the first cooperation started because of the need of an industrial company, the Piaggio, that is a motorbike manufacturing company in Italy. It's an international manufacturing. They are well known for the brand Vespa. It's a very famous motorbike. And they have the need to start a manufacturing in the east side. And so they decided to settle a first factory in Chongqing. So this is how started the cooperation. And from the observation of that, I think that China can help Italy to improve the production capability, access to market, and also the innovation. Because to be leader in the innovation, you need to have a market that is supporting this innovation in terms of market size, in terms of adoption of new technology, and also in terms of speed of change. We know that China is very, very quick to change and to adapt to new challenges. While on the other side, Italian, they are very creative people. We have a lot of creativity. And so our attitude is to propose new ideas and to develop them to a new concept to propose. And so I think there could be a nice complementarity between the two countries.